Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we will begin with Pebbles of Grammar of Class 3 by Galaxy Publication. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 19, Conjunctions. What is a conjunction? Come on, let's read quickly what conjunctions are. A conjunction is a word which is used to join two words or sentences. कंजंक्शन क्या है? कंजंक्शन एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो कि दो वर्ड्स या फिर दो सेंटेंसेस को जोड़ने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सम कंजंक्शंस आर एंड, बट, बिकॉज, और, फॉर, आइदर, और, नाइदर, नॉर, सो, बोथ, आफ्टर, बिफोर एंड so on. Let's read the examples over here. Ram and Shyam are friends. So the word and here is conjunction. Suhana is tall but her sister is short. There is a comparison over here. So they are giving you but as the conjunction over here. What would you like, tea or coffee? So or is what? Or is conjunction. She failed because she did not work hard. She was unwell, so she went to the doctor. He was poor, yet he was honest. We use and to join two words or sentences that are similar. If you look carefully, in the first sentence given over here, they are talking about two people, Ram and Shyam. They both are friends. अगर हम ध्यान से देखें तो एक सेंटेंस हो सकता था राम इज़ फ्रेंड, श्याम इज़ फ्रेंड. हमने दोनों सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन कर दिया और कंजंक्शन लगाया उसके साथ एंड, क्योंकि दोनों में ही सेम थॉट प्रोसेस है, दैट इज़ द सेंटेंसेस आर सिमिलर. क्योंकि सेंटेंसेस सिमिलर है, हमने उन्हें ज्वाइन किया एंड के साथ और ये क्या बन गया? राम एंड श्याम आर फ्रेंड्स. सो दिस इज इट. लेट्स रीड द एग्जाम्पल फॉर दिस. सो फॉर एंड, एग्जाम्पल 1, birds fly and fish swim. सो दे आर टेलिंग यू कि बर्ड्स उड़ती हैं और फिश तैरती हैं. Dogs and cats are pet animals. So what? Dogs and cats are pet animals. We use but. हम but कब use करते हैं? When we are joining two opposite ideas. जब हम दो opposite ideas को जोड़ रहे हों. For example, he stumbled but did not fall. मतलब वो लड़खड़ाया मगर गिरा नहीं. So they are telling you two opposite sides. कोई लड़खड़ाता है तो गिर जाता है ना यूजुअली, मगर यहाँ उल्टा हुआ, opposite. She ran fast but missed the school bus. So again but is used because they are telling you two opposite ideas. We use or to show a choice. हम और का यूज इस्तेमाल तब करते हैं जब हम choice बता रहे हों. What would you prefer, apple or banana? Now there was a choice given between apple and banana, hence we have used the conjunction or. Sit quietly or go away. चुपचाप बैठो या चले जाओ. So there is a choice given, या तो शांत बैठो या फिर चले जाओ. So this is or conjunction. Let's move to the next page. The next page says we use because. हम यूज़ करते हैं because कब? When we are giving reason in support of something. जब हम किसी चीज़ को कहने के लिए कोई वजह बता रहे हों, कोई रीज़न दे रहे हैं. For example, wear your cardigan because the weather is cold. मतलब कार्डिगन पहनो क्योंकि मौसम ठंडा है. तो किसी चीज़ को या किसी काम को करने के लिए उन्होंने एक रीज़न दिया है, इसलिए हमने बिकॉज कंजंक्शन यूज़ किया है. I did it because I felt it was my duty. So again we have used because as a conjunction over here. We use yet Now there is another conjunction yet to join two contrasting ideas. Contrasting means दो different ideas हैं, फिर भी हम उन्हें जब join करते हैं तो हम use करते हैं yet conjunction को. और किस तरह? For example, they have mentioned here, Rayan was quite rich. Rayan बहुत अमीर था. Yet means फिर भी. He did not help the poor beggar. फिर भी उसने गरीब beggar की मदद नहीं करी. So what is this? This is the word yet, and this is the conjunction we are using here as for joining two contrasting ideas. So this was all about the chapter conjunctions. Let's now begin with the exercises. The first question of the exercise says, underline the conjunctions in these sentences. You just have to underline them. The first sentence is, Geeta and Rita are sisters. So what is the conjunction over here? And. The next sentence, Ginny is slow but sure. What is the conjunction? But. Vinita is happy because she won the race. So what is the conjunction over here? Because. You can eat the cake or save it. Or is the conjunction. Would you have a sandwich or samosa? Again, they are giving you a choice. Hence, you will use the word or. And this is the conjunction. Rohit hurt his foot, so he did not play. The word so here is the conjunction. She was unwell, yet she went to school. So, yet is what? It's the conjunction. They like both tea and coffee. And, okay? Give me tea or coffee. Now, please remember, read the sentence. In both the sentences, they are telling you that the likeness is for both tea and coffee. दोनों ही चीज़ें अच्छी लगती हैं, इसलिए हमने यहाँ and use किया. लेकिन next sentence में क्या है? Give me tea or coffee. A choice is given over here. Hence, we are using the word or. Okay? I walk in the morning because it keeps me healthy. So, the word because here is what? It's another conjunction. With this, we have completed question number A. Let's begin with question number B. Fill in the blanks with the conjunctions and, but, or, yet, so, because to complete the sentences. You have to use these conjunctions to fill the sentences. Let's begin with the first sentence. I walked fast, dash, missed the bus. मैं तेज दौड़ा मगर बस छूट गई. What will come here? I walked fast but missed the bus. Next, he is smart, dash, intelligent. He is smart and intelligent. Both the things are actually appreciation done for one person. They are similar. Hence, we are using here and. She was ill, dash, she prepared dinner. वो बीमार थी फिर भी उसने डिनर बनाया. ये दोनों कंट्रास्टिंग आइडियाज हैं, इसलिए हम यहाँ लिखेंगे yet. Y-E-T, yet. You can sing, dash, dance. What you will come here? You will write here, you can sing and dance. Or another thing, you can give a choice also. You can write here, you can sing or dance. हम अगर choice दे रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे और भी लिख सकते हैं. The fifth sentence, she loves birds, dash, she puts water for them. She loves birds, so she puts water for them. Okay, let's move to the next page. On the next page, we have the sixth statement. Let's see what it is written over there. The beggar was very hungry, dash, he ate 10 chapatis. The beggar was very hungry, so he ate 10 chapatis. You can walk dash go by bus. You can walk or go by bus. You must do yoga dash it is good for health. You must do yoga because it is good for health. Why we have written over because here? Because they are giving you a reason for why you must do the yoga. Hina is poor dash honest. What you will write here? But honest, or you can also write over here poor yet honest. Both the words are correct. Rekha dash Hema are cousins. Rekha and Hema are cousins. So this is all about the B question. Let's now do the C question. The C question says, join the sentences using the given conjunctions. The first one is done for you. The first sentence has been given for us and they are asking us that we have to use the conjunctions which are already given in the brackets. The first one is, I stayed at home. It was raining heavily. You have to use the word because. So the sentence will change into, I stayed at home because it was raining heavily. Okay. So what will be the first sentence? We were hungry. We ordered some pizza. So when we join it, what will the sentence become? We were hungry, so we ordered some pizza. Then moving to the second sentence, she couldn't open the jar, it was too tight. You have to use the word because. So what we will write over here? She couldn't open the jar because it was too tight. It is very easy to write these sentences. To join them, you just simply have to add these conjunctions in between. The match was cancelled. It started to rain. Now, in this sentence, what you have to write? What will be the first sentence? We have to use the word as. We will start from as and the second sentence will be written first. As it started. As it started to rain, the match was cancelled. Next, the fourth sentence. Don't be afraid, I am here with you. Don't be afraid, I am right here with you. So, we have to again use the conjunction as. What you will write here? We will write as I am right here with you. Don't be afraid. Okay. The next sentence, the cat slept on the mat, the dog lay beside it. So, you have to use the word and the sentence will be, the cat slept on the mat and the dog laid beside it. Now the sixth sentence, the bag is heavy, the box is light. So you have to use the word but. So the sentence will change into, the bag is heavy, but the box is light. And a full stop. Now the last sentence, you can read a book, you can play a game, and use the word or. So what will be the sentence? You can read a book or play a game. So this is it with question number C. We have done all the exercise, completed it all. We have completed a chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. Keep doing and practicing. Wait for the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you all for watching the video. Wait till the next video. Goodbye.